There's a fine line between numerator and denominator. Did you know that? Alright, what's going on, Algebros? It's Mr. C here, and in this video I'm just going to show you real quickly how to reduce a rational expression to lowest terms. To start things out, you want to factor both the numerator and denominator polynomials. So for instance, on top we have a difference of two squares, and that's going to factor as x minus 5 times quantity x plus 5. And in the bottom, we're looking for factors of negative 5 to add up to negative 4, and that's because the leading coefficient here is 1. So those would be a negative 5 and positive 1, so that factors as x minus 5 times quantity x plus 1. And if you weren't sure about that factorization there, you would go ahead and FOIL it out. But notice that in the numerator we have a factor of x minus 5, and we also have a factor of x minus 5 in the denominator. And so what we're allowed to do is divide these out, or cancel if you will, and we are left with a reduced version of this rational expression. Let me go ahead and write that out. That's going to be x plus 5 on top and x plus 1 on bottom. Now it's very tempting to, but you shouldn't, cross out these x's here. The only way that those x's would cancel out is if they were factors in each of the numerator and denominator, but they're not. They're actually part of a sum as opposed to part of a product. So long story short, this is actually where we are finished in this video. So that's how you reduce a rational expression to lowest terms. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.